Help is here for neighbors living outside of Tallahassee city limits that saw losses from May 10th's tornadoes. I'm Kendall Brandt, your neighborhood reporter in Northeast Tallahassee, and I'm here at the East Side Branch Library where people are coming to this space to apply for county grant funding. Many neighbors in unincorporated Leon County impacted by tornadoes applied for county assistance through Team Leon Thursday. Applications opened at 10 a.m. and so did assistance centers to help people apply. That's where I met Barbara Millar.
We had trees in our house, big pine trees, and it was so eerie, it just happened like that.
She says the storm was scary and the recovery has been daunting.
I've been through a million hurricanes. I'm from the Florida Keys, and this was like nothing I'd ever experienced.
That's why people like Assistant County Administrator Shington Lammy are helping neighbors apply for funding.
Individuals and businesses that saw property damage, loss of services, and business disruption. This program is made to assist them.
Homeowners are eligible for up to $3,500 and business owners can get up to $10,000. To apply, you'll need a state-issued ID, a social security number, or tax document. Business owners need to fill out a W-9 form and homeowners need to provide proof of residency. And Lammy says 3 centers across the county have opened up to help people with those online applications.
People who may not have access to computers or internet at their homes, and so at the centers, we're helping them complete the applications, upload documents that they need to, answer their questions.
Something Millar says will be a help to many neighbors like herself.
I can't really pick up the debris myself at this age and my bad knees, so it's been a miracle how people are coming through and helping us out.
She says she's glad the assistance is available and thankful for everyone helping.
So grateful. I am so grateful. And the neighbors have really come out. We got some nice neighbors. Very grateful. Yeah, it could have been much worse.